Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to always open Firefox in private mode on Windows 11 or 10. If you prefer to use a keyboard shortcut after opening the Firefox browser on your PC, you can press Ctrl Shift plus P on your keyboard. Let me show you. Ctrl Shift plus P. Here you will see a sign of private browsing. Incognito mode is known as private browsing या private mode on Firefox. You can also do right click on the Firefox icon and select new private window here. This will open a private window in Firefox. If you don't want to repeat these steps, you can make Firefox to always open incognito window by default. For that, you have to click on this menu icon on the Firefox, then select Settings. After that, click Privacy and Security. Now scroll down on the right and find the History section. Here you will see Firefox Build drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Use Custom Settings for History. Here you need to check this option, always use private browsing mode. This will automatically disable remember browsing and download history, remember search and form history, clear history when Firefox closes. And on the pop-up window, click on the Restart Firefox now. This will restart Firefox in private mode only, but it will not visible here. As you were seeing before here, private browsing. So if you will open any website and after that you will close it and again you will open it, Firefox will forget everything. You can see nothing is here. I have to reopen every website again after closing the Firefox browser. Thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.